Test number 14 will prove that our restart button works perfectly, and therefore if you choose to do a quiz and you go to a certain point and you feel like you made everything wrong, you just click the restart button and it should work. It should reset everything. To prove that, we go to our program, run the program, and go to the quiz and choose one of these two, this level, and then instead doing the quiz. And yeah, and at a certain point, if you feel like you've made everything wrong and you want to restart the quiz, you just click on the restart button, and as you can see, everything has been reset. And to prove that, you can see here we created a default list where we got each value is 0, and each value is an option for a question, basically. So once you click on an option, like here it would be option number 1, here it would be option number 2, and here option number 3, and here option number 4. If you click one of this, the list becomes that option. So yeah, you can see here it's going. We have some different options, and when you click on the restart button, as you can see, everything becomes again 0 in here.